Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring you're signed in with an administrator account and that any documents or templates are backed up. Once done, close Word, Excel, Outlook, and any background Office processes. A quick restart clears locks. Now open Settings Apps and Features or Control Panel Programs and Features. That's the first actionable step. Locate Microsoft Office 2016 in the list, select it, and click Uninstall. This begins the built-in removal routine. When the Uninstall wizard appears, choose the Complete Removal option unless you intentionally keep shared components. Accept User Account Control prompts so the process can run elevated. The installer may ask about removing user data or shared features. Decide based on your backups. Watch the progress bar and don't force close the installer. If you see an error code, write it down. Once the routine finishes, the system often requests a reboot to finalize file and registry cleanup, so make sure to restart. After rebooting, verify there are no Office shortcuts, services, or entries in Programs and Features. If something remains, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool to remove residual components. It automates registry and file cleanup. If that tool isn't available, use the manual removal guide. Uninstall related updates, stop Office services, delete leftover program folders, and run sfc/scano and dism to repair system image. If you still hit errors, note codes and retry the dedicated cleanup tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.